There are restrooms this way. Devil's Kitchen has some campsites that are available only for Jeep travelers or 4x4 travelers. Bunch of birds around here. Not sure if this is a campsite. There is a picnic table back here. Don't see a number anywhere to indicate. No number. But there's the first one on the left, whatever number that may be. This one says Devil's Kitchen 2, so I'm gonna have to assume the first one was the 1. It also has a nice alcove area, looks real nice. And then here's number 3, looks like. Okay, this is Devil's Kitchen site number 4. The first 3 all have deep alcoves to go into, so you can get shade most of the day. I would say number 3 was the biggest. Number 2 was the most private, I would think. And this is number 4. So this is going to be the most private of those, of the 4. This is also the coolest. I remember this from 30 years ago. But the picnic table's gone. No, there it is, way back there. You got this whole section all to yourself. It's very nice.